Right, well, we've got the usual rubbish on 19, so we'll move it on to Mega Chippie channel. I'm only listening to prove that the thing works to myself. So if you looked at the extensive repairs, dozen capacitors, ceramic filter, 2 cores in the transmitter because it'd been tweaked up in inverted commas. Can we do the inverted commas? Not quite. Anyway, it's now as sound as a pound, as the good buddies would have said at one time. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, well I'll plug in the extension speaker then.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Tango 21 ready.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. There's no tone control on this one.
Roger that.
So you won't have to think about something to say about the fields being green.
Yeah, something to say about not being taken out by a Volvo with a caravan, man.
Oh, well, they've got a super safe car. They're alright.
Yeah, just pulled out Woody's lay-by a bit. Oh dear. Change my pants later.
Yes.
Right, end of lane done, we're onto the main road.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Yes. Right, end of lane done, we're onto the main road. Roger got you at the end of the lane. Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Oh, I think we're 3 minutes late. Roger.
By 11. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Passing the top of the hill, we'll go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
We've got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Rotel RVC220 from 1981. 4 watt output. I use the Cybernet 1340 amperes. Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
What have you got going over Wilsford at level crossing?
Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
What have you got you at the Kelby turn?
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Rotel RVC220, doing a 4 watt, and it's going 1.29 amps. To do that, I'm going to pop it on to low power, which I've set to 400 milliwatts. Here we are back on high power doing 4 watts again, over.
Yep, Roger, all received on full power. Could tell you were there on low power, but nothing legible.
Okay, Roger, and that I will just add it on a standard replay to site.
Yep, Roger that, all received.
Right, I can go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Right, we're square wheeled at the crossing again.
Well, you got your square wheel at the crossing.
Right, train's just going past and it's an ordinary train, so I don't know what all that were about.
Excellent. Well, I was looking for a part and I found it in the time I waited.
Very good. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over. You'll probably want some petrol prices, so 143.7 and 145.9. But I'm going to go around the roundabout and keep the camera rolling so you can see it's not 143.7 at the other side.
Excellent. I know our American viewers would like to see this.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, just passing the petrol station again, 143.9, 145.9.
Where's this petrol station in Britain? Okay, that's where it's at then. Thank you.
Yeah, roger, 10-10.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rotel level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end for me, please, over?
You'll probably want some petrol prices, so 143.7 and 145.9. But I'm going to go around the roundabout and keep the camera rolling so you can see it's not 143.7 at the other side.
Excellent. I know our American viewers will like to see this.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just passing the petrol station again, 143.9, 145.9.
It's the weirdest petrol station in Britain, that. Okay, that's where the test ends. Thank you for that.
Yeah, Roger, 10-10.
10-10. Well, that was a bit of fun. That works great now after all that work. 4 sessions on it. So we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on standard replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the Rotel RVC220 with the standard replacement microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go on low power, just for hum reasons. If I can find it. There we are, low power, 400 milliwatts. And then back to the full 4 watts. So I think we're going to be doing one of my sets tomorrow. We may have got a CPT one, like a Midland Power Max. Thanks for watching.